Oh, I look crazy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
That smile on your face makes it easy to trust you.
So this is a quick little intro to this week's video. It's basically going to be a 2-day kind of vlog, or 3 days. Let's just say that 72-hour glow up for Valentine's Day. You guys are going to see my mom do my hair because she be finessing when she does it. She's going to do my hair. I'm going to do rollers and everything. Like, you're going to see the process. I just got out the shower. My hair is wet, as you can see, because my hair is naturally curly and I don't want to wear it curly. I want to have it blown out. So, you know, when I go on my little date or whatever, I look cute. Even though I look cute with curly hair too, but my preference is my blown out hair. Anyway, she's about to do it right now, so you're going to see that process. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and let's just get right into the video. These are my Crocs, if you're wondering. They're so cute, right? They're blue. They have a little A with the minion, Princess Peach, and peace sign. I'm gonna show you something that goes with these and it'll make a lot more sense, but let's just go get my hair done. So this actually used to be my sister's. It has all my hair stuff in it. It's a mess because the last time I did my hair I was in a rush. But there's just the rollers, flat iron, a wet brush, the net that goes with it, and a clip, because you know right now we're on a budget and this is the closest I can get to a Dominican blowout. So basically what I do to prepare for when she does my hair, I put a towel here so that when she's suctioning it and putting all of them in, I don't get the wet hair on my back because it feels uncomfortable. If you guys are wondering how long my hair has grown, it's like a little bit past my shoulders. Good length, you know the vibes. I try not to flat iron it. I mostly like blow dry it and then I'll put the flat iron over it, but usually I don't try to just like do the flat iron because I hate it and it makes my hair look so ugly. I rather the blowout look because my hair looks so much more sleek like that. This is what I put on my hair. I'll show you a close-up. Don't mind the way it looks like it's on its last thread. I need to use this little much. Ew, my hair is on it. That's so nasty. Anyways, this is what it's called if you guys are wondering. Best leave-in ever.
I got nobody else.
Ooh.
No, that's enough. Please.
Hi guys, I look so stupid right now, but finally put this on all the rollers. Now I gotta sit under the dryer. I usually set a timer on my phone for like 45 minutes to an hour so that it really gets in the root and dries because my hair is thick. Damn, I'm out of breath and all I was doing was walking up the stairs with that tin. Anyways, I'm gonna show you the dryer. Let me just get it from my closet. So this is the dryer. It's called the Red by Kiss ceramic tourmaline. 1,875 watts. It opens like this, and then you just like sit it up like on a flat surface, and then I like put my head under this. Yeah, and it's really loud, like really loud. You twist the knob and it turns on like this. Hold on. Oh, Hannah, why is it? Oh. Yeah. It's so loud. You go like this. A bobby pin came out. and you just sit here. Hey guys, so it's much later. What time is it? 9:33 p.m. I started doing my hair around 7 o'clock. You see my hair is wrapped and I got a couple of bobby pins so it stays in place when I sleep because I sleep crazy. But anyways, I'm gonna clean my room because this is what my bed looks like right now. Basically, this is what my bed looks like. It needs to be clean. I don't know why there's a bowl there, please. Like, so I'm gonna put a time lapse so you guys are gonna watch me clean my room. Alright guys, so my room looks a lot better. The only thing I really need to worry about is doing laundry tomorrow, so I'm gonna try and get as much of it done as possible because I'm not trying to really do a lot on Sunday. And I got new bed sheets so I can finally put them on my bed. So I think I'm gonna go downstairs, hang out with my parents, and then come back upstairs and chill and then just go to sleep because I do work tomorrow. I'll see you guys most likely in the morning. Hey guys, so it is 2 days later. I'm such a bad vlogger, but yesterday I worked and today I did work until 2 p.m. It's around 3:30 and I'm getting ready for my little date or whatever. I just took a shower, so I'm in my monkey robe. Let's just take a moment and look at these roses my dad got me. These are so beautiful. Like, if you know me, I love me some roses and I just put them in a vase like that. So yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna wear and then I'm gonna do my hair and makeup and I'll obviously record that for you guys. But yeah, I'll see you on the flip side. This is the aftermath of Valentine's Day. This is what I look like. Look at the flowers my boo thing got me and my father got me. So these are the ones my dad got me. Most beautiful things in the world, and these are the one my boo thing got me with the cute balloon. Look, it says Happy Valentine's Day on it, and I think it was the most cutest and thoughtful thing ever. And look at this ring. Okay, get into it. Ew, don't mind my finger hair. Just one. What is it? Ah! Just one. What is it? Ah! But still so beautiful. It doesn't really fit, it's a little loose, so I have to get it fixed. Cause without me knowing, I told him I was a 5 and I'm obviously not. So I need to go down to a 4, I guess. But whatever, it's still so beautiful and it matches my anklet. If you watch my Christmas video, you would know. And what I got him were Crocs to match my blue Crocs that I have. Like a card, some candy, and I put I have a picture frame that I got him for us, and we did take pictures on these, so when the film does develop, I'm gonna do a video on this. I think that's kind of cool. But yeah, these are my blue light glasses because editing really makes my eyes hurt. I just want to say I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm about to work my ASS off and edit the F out of this video. Not cursing, you already know the vibes. I didn't really get to take pictures of my outfit and stuff, but I do have some pictures I took on my Snapchat, of course, to send to my friends. So I'll insert them here. I know, I look good. But yeah, I love each and every one of you guys so much. Subscribe, it would mean a lot to me. Or give this video a thumbs up, share this video with your friends. You already know the vibes. I love you guys, bye.
That smile on your face makes it easy to trust you.